Corporation of City of Panji has unanimously approved the proposed crematorium, Kabristan and cemetery at Santines. A project will be executed by G. Suda and it is scheduled to be completed within 1.5 years. Consultant Rahul Deshpande conducted presentation of the project. Ponna Municipal Chairperson Radhika Naik also made presentation on education policy at the CCP Hall.
ही एरिया आसली क्रेमेटोरियमाची ती फुल एक सबंद प्लॉट एक म्हणून आमी घेतलो आणि ज्या आर्किटेक्चर कडेन आमी सगळे उलयताले एक मास्टर प्लॅनिंग सबंद जाग्याचे फक्त हिंदू क्रेमेटोरियम मुस्लिमाची कब्रस्तान नाल्यार बाकीचे उरिल्ले तशें इंडिविज्युअली घेनासतना एक सगळो प्लॉट म्हणून घेवन ताजें मास्टर प्लॅनिंग करप हो एक ताजो फाटलो हेतू आशिल्लो आनी तुमी आज पळयलें की सगळे कम्युनिटीचे आज रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स आशिल्ले सगळे कॉर्पोरेटर आशिल्ले आणि ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचे रिझोल्युशन युनॅनिमसली पास जालें.
सध्या थोडी टॅक्निकल गजाली ज्यो आसा म्हणजे PDN पास करपाक घालप हे करप तो इनिशियल स्टार्ट जातलो. आतां हांव कन्सल्टंटा कडेन उलयतालो त्या प्रमाणे तेंचे फुडल्या एक वर्स भरान तो कंप्लीट करप असो तरेचो टार्गेट आसतलो. खर्च एक्चुअल आता वर्किंग जातलो.
Dialogue with the committee which runs the Kabristan is on. It is a very sensitive issue. I don't want to tackle it in a haphazard manner. But initially I would try to convince them that some order has to come. Talks are there. We had 2 or 3 rounds of talks. They have agreed to certain proposals. We are pushing for some of our stand. Sort of put plaques on any grave and say that this grave is yours or this grave is bought. Even in the Catholic cemetery we have stopped purchase of graves. There will be no purchase of graves. These are municipal burial grounds and crematoria. We will not allow any other purchase to happen.
Catholics celebrate is September 8 in honor of birthday of Blessed Mary, the Mother of Jesus Christ. Several prayer services, masses, celebrations are held across the state to pay rich respect and honor to the Mother of Jesus. It is the feast day of her nativity. This day is also celebrated as Mother's Day.
आमचे सायबीण मायेचो जल्माचो दीस सगळ्या मनशांक तिचो आशिर्वाद जाय ह्या खातीर हिंदू मुसलमान क्रिस्ती भाव आनी हेरां धर्माचे मनीस तिचो आदार आला शिरो मागूंक येतात तिचे सरशी. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.